question is, when you have a garden, you got to take care of it. Simple as that. Most of what I do is I get plants from Diddins, and then I grow them. I got them little babies. They're doing pretty good. Actually, they're really doing good. This is only like maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, and I'm starting to pull them. Boom, boom, boom. These are strawberries. There's a pawpaw tree. Pawpaw tree looks good. This is a persimmon tree. Freaking amazes me because they died in the wintertime and those have come back. And that's the lettuce. That's my little donkey. More lettuce. Strawberries. Another pawpaw tree. More lettuce. Unbelievable. See this? That was yesterday. And about a week ago, that looked like that. So it came back. This is lettuce. I'm still quite not sure how to cut it, but I'm just going to cut it from the end. But everything's ready to harvest. More kale. So what I do is, this used to be a driveway. Last year, this was my lawn. And now I got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, maybe about 20 beds in front. And on this side, that's a log I cut this morning. Like a little pathway. Blueberries, boom, 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 spearmint, more lettuce, tomatoes, lettuce, spearmint, some flowers, tomatoes, kale collards, carrots. Actually, I planted strawberries in between the carrots, companion plants. So keep in mind, I got about 60 raised beds, maybe about 50 or 60 pots. And you just grow. I'm really amazed too, my fig trees, they're starting to come back. Whoa, that's pretty exciting. That's super exciting. Starting to come back there, a little there. These are my pear trees. Pear trees came back. And I heard that peas are companion plants for pears, so we did that. Strawberries are companion for carrots, so we did that. Trellises are good for cucumbers, so we're going to start doing that. These need a little watering. Planted cucumbers today. Made trellises for my tomatoes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 beds. More fig trees. More fig trees. All that's poison ivy, but we put pots there. We're going to do that maybe sometime end of this week. In the back we have 2 kiwi trees. 2 kiwi trees. 2 raspberry bushes. And we make sure we plant near the gate, so wrap around the gate. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what's going on, but this is blackberries. Whoa. This is my vacation city, rock and roll, living dream. These are 2 beds. What I do with a bed, if you see it right here, I dump banana peels. Mix banana peels with the dirt, put some more dirt, ready to grow. I did that here, boom, boom, boom. I did that there. All the beds have banana peels. And now I'm thinking, should I get banana water and just start boom, 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 boom. That's it. Live. Bye.